Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with a focus on the T-fal pressure cooker aluminum pressure canner. If you're looking for the best induction pressure canner on the market, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this might be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. First off, let's talk about durability and performance. The T-fal pressure canner is crafted from durable aluminum, ensuring even heating, easy maintenance, and a long lifespan. Whether you're canning vegetables, meats, poultry, or seafood, this cooker handles it all with ease. Safety is paramount in any kitchen tool, and this pressure canner doesn't disappoint. It features a secure locking mechanism for safe operation, a steam release valve to control pressure, and sturdy handles for a comfortable grip. Now, let's talk capacity. With a generous 22-quart size, you can preserve large batches of seasonal produce in one go. Imagine canning up to 16 pint-sized jars or 7 quart-sized jars at a time, perfect for those who love to stock up on homemade goodies. Included with the T-fal pressure canner are 2 cooking racks to maximize space and efficiency. Plus, you get a handy recipe booklet filled with delicious ideas to elevate your canning and cooking experience. One of the standout features of this cooker is its ability to reduce cooking times by up to 70% compared to conventional methods. That means less time waiting and more time enjoying your favorite meals. It's important to note that this pressure canner is compatible with gas and electric stovetops, but not induction. Always check compatibility with your cooktop before purchasing. In conclusion, the T-fal pressure cooker aluminum pressure canner is a powerhouse in the kitchen, offering durability, safety, and versatility in one sleek package. Whether you're a seasoned home canner or just starting out, this is a fantastic choice to consider. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And as always, stay tuned for more unbiased product critiques here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.